Welcome to Maximising Efficiency with Dext. Something that I would have loved in practice has just been released by the Dext team this week, and I really want to share it with you. It might only be small, but I think a lot of you will really like it, because I definitely would have liked it when I was in practice. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so we all know that within Dext, as part of your subscription, you get access to employee expenses, where you can go ahead and create expense claims, and they all go into one document for a certain period of time. You might have done a certain trip, or it might just be your monthly expenses. So what they often look like is, if I jump into here, all of my expenses will be here on the left hand side. I can click into them, view them, and these go on then as a bill awaiting to be paid by this employee. So really useful, but that's not what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so what you'll see is when they come into your accounting software here, they often look like this. The expense form is there with a breakdown of, what category they've been posted to, what value, and everything in between. We also have the ability to create a link there. So if I was to click on that, that would bring up the source document of that railway invoice there. And the way to do that is within Dext. We can go ahead and go to our business settings, head over to exports, and then right at the bottom here, we have allow sharing of source documents with images. So if we have that turned on, when we export the likes of a PDF export from Dext, like the employee expenses, that will create a link to that source document. However, that's not what I'm trying to show you today. There's something new that's been released in the product that I think will make that feature even better, really. Okay, so if we go over to our connections, jump into your connection settings. So we're going to jump into 01 in this case. And if you scroll down a little bit on here, what you'll see is a new button here which says publish item images with expense reports. Okay, so not only is this now going to send links, but as long as you turn that on, the next time you send an expense report through, what you'll see here is, here's an example, here's the report, but underneath it is a copy of every single one of those invoices, so you can easily look and review those at a click of a button. So if you're answering client queries, you're doing some sort of payment claims, or you need to do a bit of analytical review of what's making up that expense report, all of that information is there. So obviously this is up to you. This is going to create, more, it's going to take up more memory or space within your Xero or your QuickBooks Sage account, whatever that may be. But really great feature, something that I would definitely turn on for some of my clients where they have expenses, and it's a lot easier then to say, right, okay, Hilton, let's scroll down, have a look at that, and we'll go through and have a little look through these expenses and explore these in a bit more detail. So really useful. Hope that, I have definitely seen this from other accountants when they've suggested it in our request a feature functionality. So if this is good, let me know. If you want any improvements to this, let me know. The team are always listening to the feedback of our amazing accountants and bookkeepers and small business owners, and we want to make sure that we are delivering a product that serves your needs and no one else's. So yeah, give us as much feedback, and hopefully we'll see you next time on Maximising Efficiency with Dext. Cheers.